Scheiße, jetzt fahren die Kiesgruben Junkies alleine ohne mich zum Happy Duck Eating. Das kotzt mich an.
Happy Duck Eating. Happy Duck Eating. Und ich bin leider Erster. Das kotzt mich an.
Yeah, you drowning your liver in rum, blacking out every night, you looking dumb. You fell in love with a man that just cheated on you. 24 months unemployed. You feeling empty, so go to the club. Put on your makeup and try to let go. You say grinding up on every man. Society looking at you as a hoe. That's all I see from you nowadays. Relationships out of place, down to fuck from the moment that we met. Funny how you always ask for respect. Always beg daddy for another check. Always treat others like they were your last. You got a full ride to college, but somehow you act like the only one in this world that is so stressed. Your life is a mess. Look at your granddad, it's like for your breast. Put out your ashes because you can flex. And these men do not love you, they just want some sex. Tell you you're smart, so you give them some brain. Right when you come, you know that's why they came. So you sit there and indulge their pain. Like why in the hell is every guy the same? Damn. Shit ain't how it's supposed to be. Love is supposed to be. You take that time, take that hurt. Say I won't let them get close to me. You know how I feel. It's like. You know how I feel.
Happy Duck Eating. Ja, naja gut, aber wie haben wir denn ohne mehr so auf den Ampel gewesen? Jo, alle rüber. Hier ist alles safe. Das war das, Alter.
You're writing music like every night. You think that you'll make it, you won't. You don't go to college, you don't have a job, what the fuck are you thinking? Always gave me shit when I was out drinking. Only hit my phone when you feel alone. Only come over when no one is home. When I wanna get dinner, you always go ghost. That's not what hurts me the most, not even close. Really, I hate all those hoes. Every story on Snapchat you make has a different bitch in it. Do you not feel cold? Does that get old? Laying in bed with a different slut. Feeling that high right until you nut. Telling them all that same shitty stuff that they fell for cause they thought it was love. Shit ain't how it's supposed to be. Love ain't supposed to leave. You take that time, take that hurt. Say I won't let them get close to me. But you know how I feel, what it's like. But you know how I feel, what it's like, yeah. What it's like. But I know what it's like. What it's like. But you know how I feel, what it's like. What it's like. But you know how I feel, what it's like.
Alter, ich würde sagen, der war satt. Ich würde sagen, der war wirklich satt. Hallo Andreas! Dadurch. Doch, also. Oh, Alter, das war aber eben. Christopher, der macht richtig Ballette. Warte. Ach so, der hat ja 11. Alter, die hat ja nur in Bremse. Ja. Ja, spritzt aber. Oh, Eddie ist ja jetzt. Das ist ja eine Buddel. Alter. Okay. Geil. Willst du mich verarschen oder was? Ich habe hier keine Sonne. Also ich habe so, wenn ich hochfahre, ein 30er drauf. Weißt du? Alter, ich bin gerade überholt worden. Ja, klar. Alter, die hat mich eingeholt und überholt. Ecke links gleich hier. Was hier? Alter, wie sieht der denn aus? Nee, das ist doof. Auf der Straße ist ja egal. Alter, da startet gerade ein Flugzeug. Alter, da startet gerade ein Flugzeug, das weißt du, ja? Gut.